a big part of our business is teaching people that, you know, your food has to come from somewhere, and exploring that and knowing more about it is important. You know, along with just the sustainability for our company, we look to be sustainable or beyond sustainable for the community too. We like to work with a lot of community partners. Also, you know, working with local growers when we're making our co-milled olive oils.
It all goes back to the people and the land, and keeping a focus on, again, community-based agriculture and getting your hands in the soil and being in touch with nature. We're lucky to work with what we call a family, and this is our team. And, you know, we offer full benefits, and we do lunch every day, and we do 401k, and we do maternity and paternity leave, or bring your kid to work, or we do whatever it takes for everyone to be happy.
Sometimes we forget that the people who are farming are real people, and it's not just machines, and a lot of this is done by hand, even if you're finding something in a big grocery store. But there's a lot of work that goes into producing every single thing that you eat.